In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a rear sway bar bushing in a Nissan Maxima. Remove the rear sway bar lower link from the lower bar, the rear sway bar, and I'm going to pair a pair of locking pliers on the inside of that. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that's going to be a 16mm socket. Now we can pull that link out and get away from the sway bar, and we can now dismount the sway bar bushing bracket. This bolt and this bolt that hold this bracket, the bushing to the sway bar, is a 16mm socket. The top one is on like a fork on that bracket, so we don't have to take that bolt all the way out. We just have to take the forward one all the way out. And now you can just slide this bracket down. And because the link isn't attached, it'll take care of it out. And now you're going to grab that bushing and rotate it so that the split of it is on the top. Open it up and take that bushing right out. Make sure that's split, rotate it so that you can pull it apart right off the bar. I'm going to put a dielectric grease on this bar, and it's going to help this rubber bushing stay nice and soft so that it doesn't get hardened and deteriorate this bar. It will actually eat up the metal. If that bushing gets too hardened, it'll make a noise, constant banging, and that's pretty much what happened here. So we're going to take our new bushing and we're going to split it and slide it right over that bar, just like that. Rotate it so that the round piece is on the bottom. Flatter edge is there. I'm going to take that bracket, slide it right in to that bolt that we left right in place. And I can hand start the more forward one. Push up on the bar a little bit. Get that snugged up. And take our 16mm socket and snug them up, and then we'll torque them to factory spec. So the torque spec is 58 foot-pounds for bracket to subframe. And the lower. 14mm on the back here. Hold that. Torque wrench is set to 37 foot-pounds. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.